Have you been stationed in Quantico? There are plenty of charming towns nearby that are perfect for anyone getting stationed here. I'm Victoria Bali, and I'm here to help you find your perfect home near Quantico. One of my favorite towns in this area is Dumfries, Virginia. This town is incredibly close to Quantico, making it a convenient option for anyone stationed there. Here are some of the things I love about Dumfries. 1. Amazing location. One of the best things about living in Dumfries is its amazing location. The town is just a 15-minute drive from Quantico, so you won't have to spend much time commuting back and forth to base. The town of Dumfries is also a 45-minute drive south of Washington, D.C. While it has all of the quiet charm of a small town, it's also very easy to get into the big city when you need to. You can even take public transit if you would prefer to. Quantico Station is served by VRE and Amtrak, providing trains service into Washington, D.C. and farther north to Baltimore, Philadelphia, and New York. 2. Family-friendly small town. Dumfries is a charming small town with plenty of great amenities for families. With approximately 5,000 residents, it is the type of town where you can really get to know your neighbors. The Dumfries area is very safe and quiet, and its schools are very highly rated. Right now, the housing here is a mix of historic homes and new developments. In fact, settlers first reached Dumfries in 1690s, and the town has been chartered since 1749. This makes it one of the oldest towns in Virginia, and there are still many historic structures standing in the area. 3. Convenient shopping and dining. Dumfries has shopping, dining, and all of the other amenities you need located very close by. There are multiple grocery stores in the area, some of which are within walking distance from the residential areas. For those who like to shop, the Potomac Mills Mall is a short drive north of Dumfries and is home to many popular outlet stores. You'll find all of the essential you need in the Dumfries area, including a post office, banks, auto repair shops, doctors, and more. 4. Outdoor activities. If you enjoy spending time outdoors, you'll find that there's plenty to do in Dumfries and surrounding areas. Just west of the town in Prince William Forest Park, which contains miles of hiking and biking trails. The park is also a very popular place to go camping, and it has both an RV campsite and cabins. Dumfries is just a short drive away from the Potomac River. This makes it an ideal location for those who like to go boating and swimming. The town is home to several golf courses, tennis clubs, and pools in the area with programs that cater to both kids and adults. 5. Affordable housing options. Another reason why we recommend Dumfries for those stationed at Quantico is the cost of living. Despite its proximity to Washington, D.C. and other big cities, homes there are priced very affordably. There has been plenty of new development in Dumfries over the past few years, which means there is an excellent selection of housing to choose from. Whatever you're looking for, a small condo or a large family home, there are options available in Dumfries. The job market is growing in Dumfries as well. If you are moving to Quantico with a partner or other family members, there are plenty of opportunities for them here as well. Dumfries is an excellent place to live for anyone who has been stationed at Quantico. With an affordable cost of living and family-friendly environment, There is a lot to love about this town. If you're looking for other places to live near Quantico, be sure to check out some of my other videos. If you want to browse the homes for sale in Dumfries area, click the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching.